Okay, so let's move on to class. So last class we discussed what is Python variables, and what is the main data types, right?
Yes, sir.
What are the Python data types? So nowadays, if you upload any resume, most of the people they are asking like, do you have knowledge on Python also? Just if you know basic knowledge, that's enough. They are not asking any writing programs and all. Mostly they are asking so some basic concepts. Mostly they are asking some basic concepts, what is what and all. And so if you go through this document, we can easily understand. So already we discussed what is int, what is float, data types, what is complex, boolean, string.
Yes, sir.
So interview mostly they are asking string related questions. Interview they are asking mostly string related
String.
questions. So what is string, and so how to get only specific strings. Suppose if you pass any string, and how to get only, already last class we discussed, right, slice. So already we discussed a slice, this one. Complex, and how to print boolean type and string data type. So here, right, slicing. So the index which starts with 0, right? If you print, so if you assign any, if you assign Python, just open Python, so this is just installation Python, very simple only. And for example, here I given, so name equal to, I given devapps, I given devapps. So if you want to print, there is a print command. With the help of print, so we can print the like echo statement. Now see here, devapps. For example, so if you accuse a print of name of name of, and so 0. So index starts with 0, and any string index starts with 0 only. Okay. If I give like this, which character it will print? Only 0 means first character. Now got it? So 0 means D. 1 means E. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that index value. If you go to here, so here I am passing so index value. So here I am passing index value, right? So here name equal to, actually here index value starts with 0 only. Index value starts with 0, and so this is the 0 index, and this is the 1, 2, 3. So it will start. This is like string. How it will internally string is storing means based on index only. So based on index only. Here I pass dev apps, right? So dev is D stored here. Where is D? D under the 0 index. So this is the 0. So this is the 0 index, and so this is the 1, and so this is the 2, and this is the 3, and so this is the 4. So like this is the index value, and based on this it will work. Someone is trying to, okay, Dharani. Okay. Now if we give, see here, right, so here I am giving name of 0 means 1. For example, if you want to print third letter, I am giving 2. So what is third letter? 0, 1, 2. V. Now got it? Okay. This is very, very
Yes, sir. Yes,
important.
sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
mostly interview they are asking string related. Already we discussed what is slicing. Slice means this is a piece, and so it is pointing to colon. It is called the slice operator, which can be used to retrieve part of string. Specifically, if you want to get a specific string, this is the devapps. I passed devapps. This is my string name. This is the devapps I passed. I want to print only second letter to fourth letter, or I want to print some specific characters. So that case mostly we go for a slicing. This is the syntax. So this is the syntax. This is the syntax. And last class we seen, right? See here, hyphen 1 means last letter. So this is the hyphen 1. So what is this? If we give means sprint hyphen minus 1. What is this? Last
Yes.
index. Last character, which is the last character? Yes,
Yes.
which is the last character. Suppose if you want to hyphen 2, that is minus 2. minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. See here, our right to left, right to left. Now got it. So that case we are using hyphen 1, and so this is the already we need. So this is hyphen 4, hyphen 1. So what is this meaning? Last letter to left, last, next, last second, last third, last three, like this. Now see here, if I give hyphen 4, I am using slicing. Hyphen 4, hyphen 4 colon, hyphen 1. What is the output? What is the output here? Now tell me, Uday, what is the output? So minus 1 means last character. Next minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, VOPS. Now got it? What is hyphen? Okay, hyphen last, right? So this is minus minus 4. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 4, minus 3 up to this one only, minus 2. That is, it is printing here. The based on index. So if you pass here, suppose if you pass 1 to, if you pass 5 means what is this meaning? 4 means 3 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Index value starts with 0, right?
0.
Now it will print C here. 1 means E, and 2 means, and it won't print 4. So up to 3 only. See here, EO, EO, EVO, EVO. Now got it? So this is mostly interview they are asking. Just practice it. This is very simple only. Now already last class we discussed type casting. If you want to change one data type to another data type, so what are the possibilities? Last class already we discussed. And complex boolean means true or false. String means we can give any string, and this is the main. Now what is the data types and all already we discussed. Now if you go to here, there is byte array, byte byte data type, byte data type. So bytes data type represents a group of byte numbers, just like an array. You know, right? If anyone know array representation means this is array representation. This is the array. So this is nothing but array. This is the array. Square brackets. If you give square brackets, this is the array. And so we can, this is the flower brackets. This is the braces, right? There is two ways we can declare, right? We'll see later what is difference between this one and this one, this one. See here. Now array represents, arrays are declared in square brackets. This is the array representation. If you want to declare more than one value, see here, bytes data type represents group of byte numbers, just like an array. Now see here, x equal to I given, x equal to I given 10, 20, 30, 40. So x equal to I given, see here, if you pass anything, for example, here x equal to I given, this is the array representation, 10 comma 20 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. Now see here. Now if you want to check whether it is integer type, whether it is a string type, whether it is list type, how to check? Type of x. Now see here, what is this type? It is showing list type. Now I given, right? Now I want to convert to byte. Now this is the default list type. Now how to do? Now b equal to, now I'm giving b equal to, now I'm, see here, convert to bytes. So bytes of, now it is converted to x value. Now see here, type of pyp type of b. Now it's converted to byte type. See here, I converted bytes. So mostly they are asking some data types, and today we are going to discuss that is very very important. Now here, anyone, any doubt? Byte data type represents a group of elements. That's it. If you want to group of bytes number, just like an array, and we need to convert. See here, byte of x. Generally x is the, this is the list type. Now I convert to bytes. Now if you use b of 0, now if you use b of 0, now b of 0 means index value 0, right? Which value it will come? B of 0, index value 0. What is the index value 0 here?
10.
10. That's it. Suppose if you want to 20, what is the 20 index value? 1.
1.
For example, if you want to 40, 30, that is index value breaks down that 2.
2.
Now see like this. Remaining story same only. Now same way. So for example, this is x we declare byte of. Now see here, there is one error message. Now here I am giving so y equal to I given same. I am declaring so see here for example 40 comma 50 comma 50 comma I given 500 comma I given 60. Now this is the by default this is the list type of y. Now see here, this is the list type. Now b equal to I am giving bytes of I am giving y. Now we are getting one error message. See here, value error byte must be range 0 to 256. If you want to pass any values in byte, so below only 256 we have to enter. If we enter more than 256, we are getting error message. Now got it? This is the we are trying to say. See here, the only so here I am passing see 300. So the only allowed values for byte data type are 0 to 256. Bytes allow only 0 to 256. It won't allow more than 0 to 250. Here I will pass 300. 300 means we are getting error message. 300 means we are getting error message. Clear? What Kishore? Clear here? So byte allow only 0 to 256. Just blindly remember. Byte allow only 0 to 256. Anyone any doubt here? Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Now there is one more type is there byte array type. Byte array data type. This is a byte. Byte allow only 0 to 256. Now there is byte array data type. See here, byte array is exactly same as bytes data type, except its element can be modified. It elements can be modified. It elements can be modified. Now see here. So this is right. Here I am giving. So y equal to 50, 60. Now y b equal to, now I'm using bytes of y. Now b of, now I'm giving 1. Which value it will come? 50. Correct? Now I'm using b of 1 equal to just 50. Now see here what it is saying. Bytes object does not support item assignment. Now clear? Same thing we are. Now byte array. See here, byte it won't assign any element. Byte array we can modify it. We can modify the elements also. If you want to, we can modify the elements also. We can assign. Now same thing I am giving. Now same thing I am giving. For example, I am c equal to I am giving. So this is the so 3 comma 4 comma 3 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 from 8. Okay. So by default this is the list. By default this is the list. Now I am converting. Okay, b equal to, now see here, by byts bytes of c. Now if I b
అన్నయ్య
of,
నీ నెట్వర్క్ ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయ మొత్తం సౌండ్ డిఫరెంట్ వస్తుంది.
hello, what about others?
Yes,
Resound
sir.
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
clear?
బ్యాండ్ విడ్త్ ప్రాబ్లం. అదర్స్ క్లియరా?
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
sir.
Clear,
Clear,
sir.
sir.
Clear Uday? What about
Ah,
Kishore?
yes, sir. Nice.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Audible, sir.
Clear? Okay. Maybe this side problem, sir.
చెక్ చేస్తాను.
Okay, okay. Now see here b of 2. What is this index value? 2 means 0, 1, 2, 5 value. Now I'm giving b of 2 equal to, I'm giving 10. Now see here, same. Now here they given a byte array and they convert to byte array. Now see here they are printing that values. I want to iterate those values. How to iterate? So if you want to iterate, so we need to declare one print, right? How to print it? Same story. Or else I am using this one also, or we can use editor also. Is it visible? Is it visible, right? I are increase size also to increase size. Control plus plus minus minus. Okay. Now wait. What is this? Okay. Now see here. I am using so x equal to. Now I am using. Is it visible, guys? Characters. I can increase size. క్యారెక్టర్స్ కనిపిస్తా ఉంది కదా ఉదయ్ క్లియర్
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
print of now print of x. Now see here, so save. If you want to run here, this is the file, this is the editor, and directly we can there is a run python, we can use directly we can see output here. See here 10 20. Now I'm going to convert to byte arrays. See here same whatever they given, I am following same only. So is here byte array of x, byte array of x. See here byte array of x value. Now type of b. Now it is showing. Right click, run as, clear. Now see here type of,
command print command order.
so this is editor, right? So print, that is console, right? Directly python console it will print. So now see here type of b. So now type of b. Now right click, run as python. Now see here this is the byte array. Now if you want to print, I want to print these elements, I want to print these elements. So if you want to print these elements, so we can use, if anyone know, that is very simple only. So there we can use for loop, we can use while loop. If anyone know any languages, C, C++, Java, so we can easily understand. Now here I am using, I declaring one variable. Here I am declaring one variable for I. Not only I, we can declare any variable I in, and so elements available which variable here, right? B. This is the syntax. Okay. Print of just I value. Now I'm printing I value. Now I'm first clear the screen. Now see here. Now this is also no need. Remove that one. Just B. And this is also no need. Remove it. Now see here. So this is default list value. Now I converted to byte array. Now if you want to print, this is the syntax. So we can use, we need to remember for syntax. For we can declare variable, any variable. This is the variable, and in next this is the object name, which object already elements is available. So this is the object name obj, and colon is mandatory. This is the python, right? Colon is mandatory. Now see here for I in b, already b, how many elements we have, guys? Here if you want to print, now see here print b. So now I'm commenting this one. This is a single line comment. Right now I'm commenting. Now I'm printing b values. Now observe here, what is the values available in b? That is object, right? This is the object. I want to print. Now if you want to print, now I'm printing 1 I in print of I. This is any variable we can give. For example, if we give x, here we need to give x value. Suppose if we give I value, here I need to, this is a variable name. So every variable I am iterating to this variable. Now right click, Python, print. Now see here, first. So now this is the object, right? This is the object. In this object, I have four elements. In this object, I have four elements. Now this is the syntax for I in. For I in, this is the object name. In this object, I have four elements. First element, it will come 10. Second element, it will come to 20. Third element, it will come 30. Fourth element, it will come like this. If you want to, we can print. So this is the one way. See how to print that values and all. If you want to print, we can use that one. If you want to use, we can use that one. This is very simple only. Now, very important. This is the list data type. Interview, they are asking most of the people list and set and tuple also. There is three data types. Mostly interview they are asking list. So list is nothing but this is a which data type by default. Just assume we don't have anything else. Now this is the list. List is nothing but group of elements. List is nothing but this is a group of. If you want to, we can check it. Print type of X. Now I don't know whether it is list, whether it is set. I want to check it, right? Now observe here. So what is this type? See here, this object type. What type? List, right? List is C. If you want to represent group of values as a single entity, I want to store multiple values in single entity. That case we go for list where insertion order is required. So here we are passing some order. See here 10, 20, 30, 40. It is following insertion order. See here insertion order required to preserve and duplicates are allowed. Then we should go for list value. And also it will allow duplicate also. Now see here I am giving 20 also. Already 20 is available. Now again I pass it 20. Now duplicate also it will allow. Duplicate also it will allow. Now see here, this is a list data type. Simply what is list means, if you want to store group of elements in single entity, we go for list. And this is it is following insertion order. It is following insertion order, and also it allow duplicates. It allow duplicates. Now how to print these values? See here whether it is print or not. For I in I in sorry I in I in X. Okay, now I'm printing just X value, I value. Now see here, right click, run as print. Now see here, all values it is printing or not, duplicate values also. See 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I don't want that one. So if you want to, we can print only specific value. That case we can use that values also. So this is very important. What is list means? If you want to represent a group of values in single entity. Here X is the one entity. In this I passed 5 elements. See here 5 elements X, and it will allow duplicates, and it is following insertion order. And it is following insertion order, and also list can declare in the square brackets. List can declare in the square brackets. Now observe here. So list can declare in the square brackets. This one. This is right list. So list can declare in the square brackets. Mostly if you somewhere if you see list and all, we are declaring the square brackets. Now got it? And one more thing. Now see here insertion order is preserved. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Duplicate also allowed. Global in nature. If you want, we can increase. And value should be enclosed within the square brackets. All values we have to pass within the square brackets. Within the square brackets. This is the nature of list. This is the behavior of list. So here anyone any doubt? It will follow insertion order, and different elements also we can pass it. Now see here I can pass. So here if you for example I am passing so 30.5 also I passed. 5 also I passed. Now see here. Now it is printing or not. This is nothing but heterogeneous objects. If you want to, we can pass a different object. This is all are the integer type, but this is the float type. This is the float type. This is the float type. Now see here, everything insertion order it is preserved. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Duplicates also allowed. Now see here, 10 already 20 available. Again I pass the 20. Duplicate also allow. So we can allow duplicate also, and it will allow heterogeneous objects also. Heterogeneous objects also, and this is a global nature. We can increase. If you add, we can increase also. Now see here, I am giving so again 10. This is also duplicate. Now see, automatically it will increase. See here. Now got it. So these are the list data type, list behavior. See here. I hope clear, right? So anyone any doubt here? Clear. Now this is the same type of objects. This is the same type of objects. Got Kishore? Clear. Heterogeneous means we can pass different type of objects means. So we can pass a string data type and we can pass a float data type. See here. Now got it. Now this is the which type? Heterogeneous. That is nothing but a different object. This is one data type. These are the integer data type. This is the string data type. This is the float data type. Now got it. This is nothing
Yes,
but
sir.
heterogeneous. This is meaning. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Clear. And also duplicates. Duplicate means it allow duplicates. For example, again we can pass 40. Again we can pass 20, 30. It will allow duplicate also. What is this? Comma.
List of
Comma
comma,
is
sir.
missing. Comma is missing. Okay. Now right click. Now see here. Heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means these are the integer types. This is the string type. This is the float type. I hope you got it right. Clear. Anyone any doubt here? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So this is very important. Interview also most of the people they are asking. So what is list? What is list data type and how can pass it? Now this is the which object guys? Heterogeneous or homogeneous? This is the heterogeneous or homogeneous? Heterogeneous means different type objects. This is the one. True, right? Boolean. This is the Boolean type. This is the string type. This is the integer type. Now this is the homogeneous or heterogeneous?
Heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous. This point, second point. We can pass the different data types. We can pass the different data types. That's it. Now this is the homogeneous. Now got it? Homogeneous means only I pass an integer type. Got it? Only integer type. Only integer type. Now remaining story same only. For example, if you want to print, see here, list I declare print of 0. Sorry, list of 0. Or in this case, how can I declare? Now for now I am printing. I am commenting this one. I am commenting this one. Now come to here. Now I want to print. Remaining story same only. X of I want to print this item. Now what is the index value? Devs. I want to print devs. What is the index value? This is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? Clear? So this is the for. For example, I want to print this one. That is the 6. If you want, if I give 2 means 3 means which value it is coming? 3. This is the 0. This is the 1. This is the 2. This is the 3. 3 means 40. 3 means 40. Right click, run as whatever you want, we can use this. See here, 40. So now see here, now 1, 2, 3. What is this meaning? Now tell me output. So I am using slicing 1, 2. What is the here passing 3? What is the output? Anyone? What is the output? I am using slicing
20,
x of
30, 40.
20. Next
30, 40.
30, 40. It will come 40 also. Now 20, 30, you mean to say 40. Now see output only 20,
40.
30. This is the range we are giving a 3.
Yes,
3
sir.
means
Okay.
3 minus 1, 2 only. Index value, it will start with 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Now got it. It will start with 0. So this is 3 means 3 minus 1, 2 only. Suppose if I give 5, 5 minus 1, 4 only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will give up to here only. Now got it. 1 means 20, 30, 40. It will give. See here how it will come. See, 5 means 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Very simple only. Just try to understand. So now global nature. Global nature means so list is global nature. What is global means increase. Okay. Now if you want to, we can print it. See here. So this is the list type. This is the list type. This is the list type. So now how many elements, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, some 6, 7 elements, right? This is the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements. Now if you print of x value, it will print all elements. See here. Now this is the list. Now global means now I want to increase. See here x same syntax. See here if you want to object dot append method. There is one method is there append method. Okay. So if you want to, we can check here. Let me show you how it will work. There is many methods available, functions available. Python. Now, so this is the x equal to I given. So this is the 2 comma 3 comma 4. This is the list type of type of x. Okay. Now dar just if we give x if we give x. So these are the so these are the see here functions. This is the syntax. This is the help. No Linux we are using one command, right? Which command we are using for help purpose? Linux. We are using one command, right? For example, ls command. You know, I hope everyone know what is ls command. Ls means it will display all files and directories. I want to know all options. Which command we are using? Help purpose. Linux. What's Pinara? Linux. I want to display. I want to know more about ls command. Man space ls we are giving, right? Kishore, Marchpinava. Help. So if you want to know any command, not only ls, if you want to know something about your Linux commands, in Linux we are using help. That is man. If you give man space ls, and it will print everything. It will print everything, right? And what is the arguments and what is the LRT, what is R, what is LS, what is T. We can see everything. Same way. So now here I declare one variable. Now here I declare one variable. That is the list type. So I declare, so I added some group of elements to list. Type is list. I want to know what are the functions, what are the methods available in that list. So these are the, see here, these are the, so these are the functions available. These are the functions available. See here, append is there, clear is there, copy is there, count is there, extend, index, insert, and pop, and remove, and reverse, short. There is many methods available. For example, if I want to print, see here, I want to add one more element. I want to add one more element. So x dot append, x dot append. I am adding one more element. For example, 45 added. So now see here, same thing syntax. We can how we are using, right? We can follow. See here. So list dot. This is the object, right? Here I given x, right? So x dot append. That is the method. See here function x dot append, and I given 45. Now see here print of x. Now see here 45 is added or not. This is nothing but global nature. If you want to anytime we can add. If you want to add anytime, if you want to increase. This is the global nature. What is this? Global nature. So here there is one point, right? So what is this? Global in nature. Global in nature. So we automatically it will increase. We can add anytime. If you want to, we can add anytime. Now got it. Anyone, any doubt guys here? X dot append, x dot append. Now I am using for example string. So for example here I am using dev apps, dev. Now see here print. just x. Now see here, this is the global nature. So this is the global nature. This is the global nature. So anyone, any doubt guys here? Append method. Append. What is append? Add element to object, that is list, whatever you want. Now there is, suppose if you want to no, right, index pop, I want to reverse order. So remove also one method is function is there. Now see here, x remove of, I am using second. Okay. Now print x value, that is a list value. Now see here, now got it. Earlier my list 2, 3, 4, 45 div. Now I removed second index. Second means this is the 0, this is the 1, this is the second, right? Uh, what is this is earlier 2, 3, 4 on here 2, 3, 4, 5. Here added 2, 3, 4, 45 div. Now I removed so x dot remove, and so second index, that is at a remove, right? Remove means second item. I want to remove only. So which one it is removed? So x dot remove
No,
2.
element,
It is
element,
removed only
element is removed.
2. 2 is removed.
Element.
Now I want to remove 45. Now see here, x dot remove now 45. Now see here, print x. Now 45 removed or not? Item. Clear? Clear, Kishore?
Yes, sir.
For
Yes, sir.
example, x dot remove, x dot remove. I am giving unknown number. For example, I given for example I given 7. 7 is available or not? Item.
Not available.
Not that. See here, list remove x in x not in the list. Whatever you are passing here, this item, right? This item not available in the list. So list means here we have only 3 items, 3, 4 dev. So if you want to remove, we have to pass only these 4, 3, sorry, only these 3, 3, 4 dev only. Now I given 7. Now we are getting error message. Clear? Now I want to check the count. See here, print x count. I am giving count. What is this? Count of x or x of count? Object print x dot count. Actually, this is a function only.
Count function on the check first.
Count here. count. Spelling correct only, right?
At the,
count. Count.
that time print of x dot counter open the close.
Print
Already
x
given.
dot count of.
You need to pass an object with that item name, that 3 or 4 or dev you need to pass. Try to give, yeah, see, 2,
2
2,
is 0. Now let
that's
me
why 0
add
item.
x of append. Append. Okay. I am adding so 2. Now executing same command. Count of 2. Now see here how many times. For example, duplicate I am assigning. So again I am attending. What is this? Adding append to, and so now count of 2. Now see here how many times. Now we can check like this. Now first print of x. Now see here. Now we have 4, 3, 4, dev 2, 2. Now if you want to count item how many times it is available, repeated, right? So that case this is the syntax. This is the syntax. So these many methods we can use it. If you want to clear, we can clear it. Now see here, I am going to clear x dot clear. x dot clear. Now I'm printing x value. Now nothing. What is this meaning? So this is the list, right? In this list, we have many items. Now I use it clear. Clear means everything it is removed. Everything it is removed. Now I don't have anything. Now I don't have anything. Now got it? So like this, we can use these are the functions. Whatever you want, count, extend. This is the index value. If you want, we can insert also, append, adding. If you want to copy, we can copy also, and we can keep somewhere also. So everything already most of examples available here. Just try to practice it. Okay. So this is the list. Now if anyone is asking what is list, list means if you want to represent group of elements, group of values as a single entity, so we go for list. And list allow insertion order. It is following insertion order. It is allowing heterogeneous objects, and it is allowing duplicate objects. Duplicate also it will allow, and it is also global nature, and value should be enclosed with the this square brackets. List can declare within the brackets, square brackets. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? List can declare only square brackets. Right, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we got some idea. Now same way, there is one more data type, very important, tuple. See here, tuple data type is exactly same as list. Tuple and list is both are same only. But what is difference? Except that that is immutable. We cannot change values. We cannot change values. Tuple values we cannot change. Tuple values we cannot change. Only read only. If you want to make it as read only, so that case we should go for tuple data type. But remaining option same only. Tuple data type is exactly same as list data type only. Tuple elements can be represented within the parenthesis. We have to declare like this only. List can declare only which one? List can declare square brackets. List can declare square brackets. Square brackets. Tuple can declare parenthesis only. Tuple can declare parenthesis only. Now see here, I am giving a same. See here t equal to. So here they given some example, right? So they are given some example. T equal to. So this is a parenthesis. I given 1 comma 2. Sorry, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. And if you want to type type of t, see here, what is this type guys? This is the tuple data type. Tuple data type. This is the tuple data type. Same like list only. Only this is the tuple data type. Already you know, right? So this is the immutable. Except this is the immutable. You know, right? What is immutable and mutable? Immutable means we cannot change it. So if you want to read only, so that case we go for tuple data type. See here, and remaining all options same only. And we cannot change object. See here, t of 0, 100. See, tuple object does not support item assignment. See here, for example, I am trying to assign some value. See here, t of same. So I am trying to assign t of 0. Generally, if you print t, I am going to assign 0 values, anything, whatever it may be, 0 or one thing. We are going to assign some data type. Now see here, tuple the object does not support assignment. This is read only. We cannot modify it. We cannot modify it. We cannot modify it. We cannot modify it. That is the behavior of so tuple data types. And so we are going to declare within so parenthesis. Within the parenthesis only we have to declare. List can be declared the square brackets. So tuple data type declare into the parenthesis. Parenthesis. Now see here, this is very simple only. So if anyone is asking interview also, most of the people they are asking. So what is tuple data type and how it will work? Tuple data type exactly same as list data type, except that is immutable. We cannot change values. We cannot change values in tuple. Like we are made it as readable. That is only readable only. We can read it, but we cannot modify anything. We cannot modify anything. It won't allow assign, it won't allow change the elements. It won't allow, it won't change the elements. Clear? Anyone, any doubt guys here? So we cannot change, we cannot change, we cannot change these values. If we declare any items in tuple, we cannot change it, but we can read it. But we can read it whenever if you want, we can read it, but we cannot change it. We cannot change this. We cannot modify these elements. That is the main point. Clear, Kishore?
Yes, sir. Clear.
But list data types we can modify, we can insert, we can remove and all, right? But tuple data types we cannot change. This is the read only. This is the read only. We can read it, but we cannot modify. We cannot assign anything. Now there is one more thing, range data type. So this is also one range. Range means, see here, range data type represents a sequence of numbers. For example, range, I want to print 1 to 10. This is the range, right? I want to print 1 to 10. This is some range. This is my requirement. I want to print 1 to 10. Now see here, range data type represents sequence of numbers. The elements represents in range data type are not modifiable. Range data type is immutable. This is also immutable. Now, for example, here I given some numbers. So see here, they generally they declare generate the numbers 0 to 9. This is the they want to print something 0 to 9. They want to print 0 to 9. They want to print 0 to 9. Index starts with 0, right? 0 to 9. 0 to 9. So if you want to print, this is the range. For example, here they declare some value. See here, range R equal to range of 10. R equal to range, RANG, range of 10. 10 means it will print only up to 9 only. Now got it? Now see here how to print it. Same thing I am executing here. We can easily understand. Now I'm going to here. Now I am removing all these things. Okay. So daily. Now R equal to I given RANG, range of 10. Range of 10. Now for I in R colon print I value. Print I value. Now see here. So range is nothing but a sequence. Right? Range is nothing but sequence of numbers. So here I mentioned range equal to 10. So 10 means 0 to 9, 10. Correct? Now this is a loop, for loop. For I, this is we can declare any variable. For example, x in R. Now colon print of x. Now it will print 0, 1, 2. See here how it will print. First clear the screen. Now see here I am executing this one. Now see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9 only. It won't print 10. It won't print 10. Okay. Now got it. How it will come. Range means sequence of numbers. Represents a sequence of numbers. For example, if I give 100, now what it will do? It will come up to what? Range 100. 100 means 99. Now it will come up to 0 to see here 0 to 99. Now clear? Clear, Vadai?
Yes,
Whatever
sir.
you want, we can declare. Range is nothing but sequence of numbers. If you declare anything in range, that is nothing but sequence of numbers. Now, if you want to print, this is the syntax. We need to remember one line for. We can declare any variable x, y, z, a, b, c, whatever you want. A in R. This is the range, right? This is the variable name. In this variable, so range of 100. Now all elements store into the R. Now how to iterate? So print of A. First it will come 0. First it will come 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that up to 99. Up to 99. This is the one data type. Range also one data type. Range also one data type. Now see, generate the numbers from 10 to 19 only. Now we can pass two arguments. See here, range. Now I'm giving, so here range equal to, I am giving only 100 to 200 only. 200. So this is the range I mentioned. Starts with 100 and ends with 200. That means 199. Same I for A in R, print A. So this is here, this is the starting point up to this is the ending point, but it will print only up to what values? Now see here, 99. It will starts with 100. It will starts with, see here, 100. This is the starting point. It will start 100 and ends with 99. That is 199. So it won't print 200. Index starts with 0, right? That is the reason 0 to 199, 200. 0 to 199, 200. 0 to 199, 200. Anyone, any doubt here? This is like 10. Same way, if you want to print anything, so here 100 to, so generally 100 to 200 means, so what is this meaning? Index starts with 0, right? Now it will come 0, 100 to 199 only. Anyone, any doubt here? This is the starting, this is the ending. That is nothing but 0, 10 to 19 only. 10 to 19 only. Now see here, if you want to, we can pass range, third scenario. So this is the starting point and this is the ending point. And this is the appending increment values. Increment values. So every time how much you want to increase. Now see here. Now this is the 10, this is the 100, this is the 200. And increment values. We can pass one more argument. I want to increment, so 10. I want to increment, sorry, 100, 200, comma, 200, comma, 200, comma, 10. This is nothing but third argument, increment value. Now 100, 100, 110, 120, 130, like this will get output. Clear guys? Anyone, any doubt here? Now got it. See here, 100. Now how much I increase? 10, 110. Now next, every time, this is loop, right? Increase 10, 10. That is nothing but increment value. See here, increment value. If you want to pass increment value, this is the third. Clear guys? Anyone, any doubt here? What, Kishore? This is nothing but
Yes, sir. Clear.
increment value. For example, I want to increase only 10. Every time I want to increase 5. I don't want 10. Now see here, check it. So 100, 105, see 100, where is that? 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 130. This is the increment value. This is the increment value. This is the range. So if you print only one argument, up to 99 it will print. If you want to print a specific range, that case we are mentioning range values also. And if you want to increment value, that case we can give like this. Third argument is increment values. Third argument is increment value. See here, 100, next 50, 150, next 50, 250, sorry, 200, 250, 300, 350. That's it. Anyone, any doubt here? Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. So these are the range. Now very important is set data type. Now we know list. Now we know list, right? So what is this? So you know list. So list. This is the how to declare list, square brackets. Now got it. Now you know tuple. How to declare tuple? Now got it. Now there is a one more set. How to declare set? Set also we can declare same. This is the flower brackets. How we can declare? This is see here. If you want to represent a group of values without duplicates, I don't want to insert. I don't want to allow duplicates. that case you go for set. That case you go for set. So that case you go for set. Now how to declare here? This is the, if you want to declare set, we need to declare set. Clear? This is the basic point. So this is the basic point. I hope you got it right. Curly braces, curly brackets. This is nothing but flower bracket, that is curly braces. Curly braces only. So brackets only we have to declare. This is the what is this? Para, paran, parenthesis. This is the square brackets. This is the square brackets. Now this is the main difference. Based on this, we can easily identify. So if you declare here, this is list. If you declare means this is a tuple. If you declare means this is a set. Now we'll see what is set. Now insertion order is not preserved. It won't follow insertion order, but list will follow insertion order. You know, right? List will follow insertion order, but set it won't follow insertion order. And list will allow duplicate values, but set it won't allow duplicates. Clear? Clear,
Yes,
Kishore?
sir.
List will allow duplicate values, but set it won't allow duplicate values. And list will allow heterogeneous objects. Set also allow heterogeneous objects. Third point. See here. List also allow heterogeneous objects. Set also allow heterogeneous objects. Index concept is not allowed. So here, because it is not following insertion order, right? Indexing is not allowed. Now it is immutable. It is a mutable collection. It is the mutable collection, and it is also growable nature. It is also growable nature. Now see practically how it will work. So this is the basic difference between list and set. List and set. Interview also most of the people, very very important question. What is difference between list and set data type in Python? What is difference between list and set data types in Python? List it will allow, list it is following insertion order, set it won't follow insertion order, list allow duplicate values, that it doesn't allow duplicate values, and both list and set will allow heterogeneous objects, and set it won't following index, right, that is index concept, and this is the mutable, and so both are global nature, both are global nature. Now see practically how it will work. Now see here, coming to here. Now I'm giving also s equal to I'm giving some elements. Okay. So for example, I'm giving 10, 20, 30, 40. Now take it. Print type of type of yes. This is a list type or set type. Anyone guess it? This is the list type or set type. What type? First, how I can identify this is the list and set.
Braces.
Braces. Correct? Exactly braces. Now see here, this is the set. For example, same thing. If I give like this, now what is the type, data type? What is the type? This is the set or list. Now in this case, this is the set or list.
List.
List. See, I hope now we got it right. Now same thing if I pass like this. In this case,
Triple.
that is very very important. So now see here, tuple, tuple or tuple. Okay. So this is the major difference. Very very important. Interval also most of the people asking. Just remember. Okay. This is the set. Now, so now I given 20, 10, 20, 30, 40. Now so just I am going to print off print off. Yes sir. Yes sir. Now see here, it will print. See here, 40, 10, 20, 30. I am passing 10, 20, 30, 40. But what is the output I am getting? 40, 10, 20, 30. So right, one point. So it insertion order is not preserved. Insertion order. I am passing 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I am getting same order. Yes or no?
No, sir. No.
No. So this is the first point. So this is the first point. Now coming to here. Now S of remaining sim only. S of now so 10, no, 20, 30. Okay. S of 0. See that object does not support index value. Second point, right? Now I want to print S of 0 value. So set will follow index. Index it will support index concept. List will support index. Tuple also support, but set, check it,
No, sir.
it won't support. See here, set does not support indexing because it is not following insertion order. It is jumping, right? So that is the reason set does not support indexing. And so set doesn't allow duplicate values. Now I am giving again 20. Now see here, I am printing so my set. See here, how many values you printed? How many values? Only 4. But if you see how many values here, how many items I entered? 5, right? 20 is the duplicate. So now set will allow duplicates?
No, sir.
No, set it won't allow duplicates. But if we make it as a list, now it will allow duplicates. Now see here, this is the list, right? Now check it. Now it will allow. See, now got it. So set it won't allow duplicate values. Set doesn't allow duplicate values. Set doesn't allow duplicate values. Clear, guys? These are the very, very important. Interview purpose, most of the people they are asking. So now heterogeneous. If you want to, we can pass heterogeneous. Now see here, it will allow. So DevApps. Now see here, right click. See, it will allow. Heterogeneous. This point both are allowed. See here, heterogeneous objects are allowed. If you want to, we can pass different data types also. Now, if you want to see set is global nature, this is also global nature. And so what are the functions available in set? I want to check it. Now come to here. So Python, open this one. And so here I given x equal to, so 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. This is the type of x. This is set. I want to know dir x. Now see here, what are the functions available, methods? How many methods are available? See here, this is the is subset, is a superset, pop, remove, difference, union, update, and also add, clear, copy, difference. Whatever you want, we can use it. Now I want to add one element. If it is list means append. Now set means we need to add. See here, x dot add. I am giving so for example, I am giving 10 or 1. Okay. Now print x. Now see here, 1 also added. So this is the global nature. Global means if you want to, we can add. It will increase automatically size. It will increase automatically size. So this is the this point. Here we mentioned, right? So this is the global nature. You see, global nature. If you want to, we can increase, add. Whatever this is the add function. With the help of add, we can add it. So with the help of add, we can add it. With the help of add, we can add it. Suppose there is many functions available, right? Whatever we want, we can use it. Whatever we can't, we can use it. So if you want to, we can clear. If you want to, we can copy difference. See here, There is many things. Remove. If you want to remove, I don't want everything. X dot remove. I removed. Okay. Now remove of uh, 2, 3 already available, right? Now see here, print X, print of X. See, 3 already, 3 item removed. So if you want to remove, for example, remove, I am giving unknown number. So this item is not available. We'll get error message. See here, trace back must, see, call last, line number 1, model, it won't support. Now I'm giving 4, 4 also available. It remove, print, print of X. Now see here, if you want to, we can remove. Now clear also is there, copy, difference, is there any clear? Remove also is there, pop, we can use subset, add, clear also is there. If you want to, we can remove. See here, X dot, clear. Now see here, print, nothing is there. I remove, I clear everything. Now see here, 0. There is no items, no items. There is no items. There is no items available here. So if you want to check, so this is the DAR. If you want to check all functions and all, so what are the set functions? What is the list functions? What is the tuple functions? And so that case we can use, so this is the DAR. We can use the DAR. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt as of now? So this is very, very important. Interview purpose, interview. Most of the people they are asking a list, tuple, set. I hope you got some idea, right? What is list and what is tuple? If simply if you want to make it as read only, just go for tuple. And what is difference between list and set?
No order, no duplicates.
No order. It is allowing duplicate elements. It won't allow duplicate elements. It is following insertion order. It won't follow insertion order. Both are following heterogeneous objects. Now got it? And both are global nature. At least 2-3 points in interview purpose. Okay. And so set it won't following index concept. List will follow index concept. That it won't support index concept. List will follow index concept. This is very, very important. Okay. In interview purpose, most of the cases they are asking only these 3 data types. Most of the people they are asking only this one. Clear guys? Let's move on to one more data type. See here, most of you, no one is asking, just try to understand. See, frozen set data type. It is exactly same as the set only, but it is the immutable. But it is the immutable, and hence we cannot use it or add or remove any functions. We cannot modify. See here. So just this is the frozen sets of S. This is the I declare, right? I declare this is a set data type. Now I convert to frozen. Now we can see frozen, but we cannot add, we cannot remove, we cannot do anything like a tuple. So it is throwing a error message. It is throwing error message. Come to here. Now I given, so this is the set, right? This is the set. Now F equal to FRO frozen set of S I given. Now check it, print type of F, type of F, sorry, type of, sorry, type of F. Okay. So clear the screen first. I will check it. Right click. Now see here. So what is the type? Type. But we cannot insert, we cannot add, we cannot remove. It won't allow anything. Now see here, F dot add of, I'm giving 10, 20. Now I'm running. We are getting error message. Frozen object has no attribute add. Whatever you want to, we don't, if you want to, we can add, or if you want to remove, there is nothing. Okay. So, but most of the cases they are asking only set to list to tuple. These are the very, very important. And these are some basic points. If you want to, we can. Now this is very, very important. Dictionary data type, DACT. So this is the dictionary data type. Interview also, most of the people they are asking this one. Dictionary, right? Key and value format. I want to store data, key and value format. How we can store, for example, name equal to, for example, course, SOURSC, course equal to DevApps, okay, and duration, okay, 2 months, fees. So like, right? This is the key and value. Which is the key? Which is the value, guys? Which is the key? Which is the value? Left side, this is nothing but key. This is the value. This is the key. This is the value. This is the key. This is the value. I hope you got it right. In Kubernetes also, right, in etcd, how it will store key and value format. So this is the key. Course is the key. This is the value. Duration is the key. This is the value. Fees is the key. This is the value. Key and value format. If you want to store, we go for dictionary data type. In dictionary, how we are getting meanings? For example, English word, one English word, and I want to meaning right side, telling meaning or whatever you want to get it, we can get it right. That is nothing but dictionary format. See here, if you want to represent a group of values as a key value pairs, then we should go for dictionary data type, DICT dixt data type. I hope you got it right. What Uday? Clear? Now how to declare? Clear? So key and value format. I want to store key and value format. So if you want to store key and value format, now see here how to declare it. Now we know how to declare set. Now we know how to declare list. You know how to. Next, dictionary. For example, D. Now how to declare dictionary? So this is also, this is also we need to use which brackets? Square brackets, braces, parenthesis or flower brackets? Flower brackets only. Okay, this is the basic point, just remember. Now, so see here, name equal to, I given something. Now see here, this is the dictionary, or we can use D, whatever you want. Print D. See what is name, what we are passing, equal to, sorry, not equal to, we need to give colon. We need to give syntax problem, we need to give colon only. Now see here, name, name is not allowed. Maybe name is a reserved word or okay, this is also string, right? I need to declare. For example, I'm changing. This is also string, right? I'm giving, so for example, 10. This is the number. No need to declare any negation. String and all, we need to declare any. For example, 20, 30, not equal to, sorry, we need to give colon. Dictionary, right? Colon, colon. Okay. Just I given whatever you want. Okay. Now I'm printing. Save, first save it. Control S. Go to here. Clear. Now see here how it is printing. So this is the key and this is the value. This is the key. This is the value. This is the key. This is the value. So whatever you want, we can pass it. Key and value format. If you want to store any data, key and value format, and that case we go for. So that case we go for. One is Jenkins. I'm giving two is Ansible. I'm giving three is Docker. I'm giving four is Kubernetes. So like this key and value format. I'm giving. So okay, so this is the key and value format. So if you want to store anything key and value format, so that case we go for, so that case we go for which one? Dictionary. That case we go for dictionary. This is very, very important. Now how to read that data? See here, type also we can check it. What is the type? Print type of D. This is the check it which type. This is the dictionary type. DACT dictionary type. What is the class type? Dictionary type. What is the class type? Dictionary type. If you want to store key and value format, so that case we should go for dictionary. That case we should go for dictionary. See, now duplicate key are not allowed, but values can be duplicated. Now what is the rules of dictionary? Now see here. So dictionary means already we know. Now it won't allow any duplicate keys. Now if you come to here, now I'm adding one more thing. See here, one colon. I am using AWS. Is it possible? Is it possible, guys? One colon. I given AWS. So key doesn't duplicate. Now see here, check it. It won't allow. Type. See here, only one only we got. One, two, three, four. What about this one? Like set. Like set. Now see here, duplicate key is not allowed, but values can be duplicated. So if you want to, we can change. For example, this is the 5. This is the 5. And values I am giving anything. For example, Jenkins. Now here also Jenkins is there. Here also Jenkins is there. It will allow. Values can be duplicated. No problem. It will allow. Now see here. Now got it. Anyone any doubt, guys, here? So key should not be duplicate, but value should be duplicate. Key should not allow duplicate. Key should not allow duplicate. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
And one more thing, we cannot declare empty dictionary. Now I commented. Simply I given like this D, and so I declare this is the dictionary. Okay. Now we cannot declare empty. See here, we cannot declare like this. We cannot we cannot create empty dictionary as well. We cannot see, it won't allow. And so we can add key values pair as follows. If you want to, we can add it. D of A equal to, we can, if you want to, we can add something. If you want to add, we can add something. And we can create empty, we can create an empty set by using the set. If you want to, we can, this is the set, right? Set function. We can add anything, whatever you want, we can add it. Whatever you want, we can add it. So dictionary is also mutable, and so the order it won't be preserved. The order it won't be preserved. The order it won't be preserved like set. This is also mutable. You know, right? Mutable means we can update, we can modify. Immutable means we cannot modify. Immutable means we cannot modify. We can't do anything. We cannot modify. We can't do anything. Now there is some point. See here. Generally, we can use bytes whatever you want. Now even if you go here, so net we'll get many examples. So this is the dictionary. Python dictionaries, how it will work. Now see here. This is the variable, and this is the key, this is the value, this is the key, this is the value. Whatever you want, we can pass it. And see, so like this we can print. If you want to try your side, here also we can say whatever you want, we can modify. See here, I'm giving one colon, I'm giving something DevOps. Now see here, this is editor, run it. Now can what comma is missing, right? Okay, now run it. Now see here, this is the editor. Now this is the key, this is the value, this is the key, this is the value. Whatever you want, we can do it. Now there is many ways dictionary items, how to retrieve that items. See here. So I want to print only brand values. I want to print only brand values. Now observe here. I want to print only. I don't want. So now I want to print. See here. Print of D. Now what we need to print? So only I want to print this one. I am calling 2 only. Dictionary of D of 2. Now check it. Now see here. Answer will come. Did I call value or I called key only? ఇప్పుడు నేనేం కాల్ చేశాను, కీని కాల్ చేశానా, వాల్యూని కాల్ చేశానా? This is the key, this is the value, this is the key, this is the key, this is the value, this is the key, this is the value. So for example, if I give 4, what value it will come? This is the key, right? What is the value of key? This key, KTS.
K.
So while if you want to call only, we need to call key value, don't value. See here, KTS. Suppose if I give like this, for example, if I give Jenkins, now see here, what is the output? Directly I call it Jenkins. Directly I call it Jenkins. Now see here, what is it throwing? Key error. There is no key related to Jenkins. Now got it? There is no key. There is no key related to Jenkins. There is no key related to Jenkins. So if you want to print, which one you want to call? Key or value? Blindly remember, only we have to call key only. Only we have to call key only. Don't call values. If you call key, automatically value will come. Clear, Kishore?
Yes, sir.
So see, this is very, very important. So if you want to store key and value format, and that case you should go for dictionary. And so duplicates not allowed. Already you know, dictionary cannot have 2 items with the same key. Already we seen. Now dictionary length. If you want to find the length, this is the syntax. Length of dictionary. How many elements we passed? See here, print len of D. I want to know how many keys values I passed. See here, 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear, guys? For example, L equal to I given. So this is the which type? What is this type? This is the list or set or tuple? Type of
Yes, sir.
yes, list type, type, type of L. And see here, print len of L. Now check it. Now see here, this is the list type, and the same method, length. Len means if you want to find how many elements available in the list, how many elements available in the dictionary, how many elements available in set. So if you want to see, that is the len. Don't forget, len means so that length, how many elements available, we can check it. Clear? Anyone any doubt
Yes,
here? There is many methods available. If you want to practice, go to any website. There is many websites available. Now see here, data types. So this is the dictionary data types. Colors equal to, if you want to, we can pass and see here what is the output, how it will come. So this is also colors, red. Like this also we can pass. This is array. This is like list. This is also like list. We can pass list also. We can pass list also. Same thing. Now this is right. I want to pass some list of items. We can pass like this also. So we can pass how they are passing, same thing. Colors, whatever you want. 6 equal to. For example, I am given whatever you want, we can pass it. 6 equal to and so or I can give same colors. Okay, colon, whatever you want we can pass the double quotation. Okay, again we need to pass the single quotation or double quotation, red, green, like this. Same how they are passing here, same format. If you want to we can pass it single quotation or double quotation, whatever it may be. Okay, so now see here, this is the length. If you want to print only we can print D. Now length D and 6. See here, this is also here we can pass array format. Colors, what are the colors? If you want to we can pass. So there is many sites available. If you want to we can practice it. If you want to just go and search it. This is also very simple. W3 schools, and there is type. How to check type? You know, right, type. So this is respect to define the object type. Object with the data type with data type and all. We can check it. This is already know. DACT constructor. This is the default constructor. It will execute. Default constructor. It will execute. See, it is also possible to use the disk constructor. Make the directory. If you want to, we can call like this also. And collections array, list to tuple, set to dictionary. These are the very important interview purpose, and also real time. Also, most of the cases we are using this only. So most of the cases we are using list, tuple, set, dictionary. Key and value format we go for dictionary. Key and value format we go for a dictionary. That's it. So anyone any doubt, guys? Hello, clear?
Yes, sir. Please.
Okay, so next class we'll see these are the very simple only constants and all, and the next class we'll see operators. We'll see this too. We'll finish what is this. This is the constant and how it will work. Escape characters. This is printing purpose. So this is the printing purpose. Mostly we are using escape character. For example, just assume this is the right. For example, Python. Python, right? Now here I given so welcome to DevOps. Now see here, if I print, how it will print? Same as it is, right? Correct. Welcome to DevOps. Now, so these are the some of the escape characters. These are the some of the escape characters. I want to print next line after this. I want to print next line. So see here. So here first I want to print. First I want to print welcome. Next I want next line. This is the slash n represents next line, new line. Now see here, if I print like this, print yes. Now see here how it will come. You know, right? A slash and represents a new line, next line. Go to the cursor, it will move to next line. So that and all we can print here. That and all we can print here. Symbols, whatever you want. If you want to single quotation, if you want to double quotation, so that case we can use these symbols. These are very simple. T means tab. I want to give some space. I want to give some space. Now see here. I want to give some space. Slash T I am giving. Tab. T means tab. You know, right? Tab means 8 characters. See? Print of yes. Now see here. It will give one tab space. By default, how many space per tab? It will give that the tab only. If you want to print a single quotation, if you want to print double quotation, we can format. See here, this is a new line. T means horizontal tab. Carriage returns, backspace. I want to remove. And if you want to print vertical and single quotation, and if you want to print double quotation, and this is a double quotation. I want to print some double quotation. So how to print double quotation? Now observe here. So for this string, I want to print double quotation. Which one? Slash only, right? slash double quotation. Correct only. Double quotation slash double quotation. Now see here, for welcome it will give double quotation. Now come to here, print yes. Now see, before also we need to use a double quotation. Here we need to add slash double quotation. We started here only, right? Why missing here? We need to add that one also. Mhm. Where how they are giving pattern slash, this is double quotation ending. I want to print both also. How to add here double
Where you want to print?
before also.
Yeah,
Now
start
it is
again.
printing.
No,
It is
no,
printing here only. I want
no,
to print before
okay.
welcome also.
S is equal to double quotation slash double quotation. Double
One more
quotation.
double quotation.
Yeah, yeah, now it will work.
Now print of yes. Now that case we can use also. This is the double quotation. If you want to single quotation, we have to give only single quotation. So these are the some of the escape characters, and so this is a manipulation purpose. For alignment purpose, if you want to, we can use the slash. Mostly we are using slash and means new line. T means tab. This is the single quotation. This is the double quotation. This is the backspace. If you want to remove anything, so now you know, right, backspace. In keyboard we are using one keyword, backspace. If you give backspace means it will remove. For example, this is the S, right? If you give backspace means it will remove one character, right?
Okay.
Same thing. That one also we can use it. Now how to use this one? Now observe here, backspace slash B. Now see here, I am using slash B. Okay. Now print that one. Print yes. Where it is giving. First I am giving. Wait. Normal. DevOps. App. I given. Print yes. And now I am giving backspace. Slash print yes. Now see here what happens. Keyboard, you know, right? Backspace. If we press backspace key, it will remove one character, right? Now the S is gone. Now observe here. Clear. Printing. Actually DevOps course, right? Now here I given slash B backspace. Now what is happening? One character it is removed.
Mm.
Clear.
Okay. Yes.
In keyboard also there is one key is that backspace key. What is happening? If you know, this is very simple only. So these are the sum of right, sum of escape characters, and based on our requirement we can modify in the string literals. We can use the escape characters to associate special meanings. If you want to right, give some alignment, some tab and all. So that case mostly we are using escape characters. So that case mostly we are using escape characters. Okay. And next class we'll see. So these are the what are the operators, and so how it will work, and how to play with operators and all. We'll see next class. Okay. Tomorrow also we have
Sure,
class, and I will update.
sure, sure.